We're going to see how to install Jupyter Notebooks directly with in terminal with PIP. The easiest way is to install it using Anaconda Navigator. I'm going to do a separate video with that, but this is easier. You just have to type Python, and you type -m pip install, and first you have to upgrade your PIP installation. This is going that it sends you all the necessary messages that tells you that it has successfully been upgraded. And after that, what you do is you type Python, and then you type -m pip install, and then you just type Jupyter, not Jupyter Notebooks, just Jupyter, and you type enter, and it is going to install Jupyter Notebooks. And this will also work if you have Python 2. In this case, I have Python 3.7.3, and in order to launch Jupyter Notebooks, you just type Jupyter Notebook, and it will launch in your browser. Now that you have launched your Jupyter Notebook, you can navigate through your files. For example, if you go to the desktop and you create a new folder, for example, and in this folder we're going to create a new Python 3 notebook, and here you will be able to work with Python as if you were working directly in the command line or with any IDE. Here you can create a variable, and then using that variable and add more stuff. Let's say variable is equal to d plus 10, and then print variable, and you'll get 30. And here is how you can play around with Jupyter Notebooks. It's very simple, and it will store directly in the folder that you store the information with. You can work with different versions of Python. There are a lot of things that you can do here. You can these cells can be from different types. This can be markup cells. You say insert cell below, you type cell type, you markdown, and here you can use HTML. Let's say this is my first notebook. You close the H1 tag, you execute, and there you go. And this is just a quick look on how you can work with Python and Jupyter Notebooks.